Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Injured Miss Universe Jamaica 2025, Dr. Gabrielle Henry arrived in Jamaica on Thursday to continue treatment following her fall on stage at the staging of Miss Universe Competition 2025. It is said that she's admitted to a corporate area hospital under the supervision of a neurologist and that she requires 24-hour specialist supervision. Dr. Henry suffered a serious fall through an opening on the stage while performing her walk during the preliminary competition, resulting in an intracranial hemorrhage with loss of consciousness, a fracture, facial lacerations, and other significant injuries, sending her in intensive care back in a Bangkok hospital. In a few hours, Sean Paul and Shaggy's Jamaica Strong benefit concert will unfold with the scores of Caribbean artists. The concert will take over New York's UBS Arena with performances from the likes of Kes, Chronic Law, T.O.K, Kimani Marley, among others. The event, which aims to raise some US $1 million to provide support to victims of Hurricane Melissa, will be aired live right here on TVJ, RETV, One Spot Media, and YouTube at 9 p.m. Now, more concert relief on the horizon as Hard Rock Live in Hollywood will host a Stay Strong Jamaica benefit concert on January 2. The bill of performers include Julian Marley, Etana, Shaggy, and Wayne Wonder.
For us to have this major reggae concert at the Hard Rock, it speaks volume to what collaboration can do, because it will lift the spirits of Jamaicans. We will raise funds through this initiative.
Oliver Mayer, Consul General of Jamaica in Miami, lauded the Hard Rock Hotel for its support in making this possible.
They have just been so supportive as a company, as an entity. And once a hurricane took place, they were so willing to help us in any way possible.
David Honemeyer, Chief Operating Officer of Seminole Gaming Company, says the company is committed to doing charity work.
Besides the fact that we have over 300 employees at this property alone who are from Jamaica, Hard Rock believes in charity, whether it's the people of Haiti, whether it's domestic issues. But Jamaica is special to me personally, and it's something that the company is taking a commitment, a real strong position on, and we feel great to support the people and the island of Jamaica.
That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.